Based on references in C++. Um, so reference is really an alias of a variable. So in this case here, I have test score. All right. So let's say this is test score, and it's initialized with a value of 88. All right. So yeah, 88 is here. And then on line 14, I have test score reference is equal to test score. So you see this ampersand here next to the int. This is indicating that test score ref, it's really a reference, all right, to an integer reference, and its name is test score ref. So it's equal to this. So all I'm saying here is that now we have two names for this variable here. So this is gonna be test score ref. All right. So both of them are pointing to this variable here. Now I just have original test score, and I print that out. That's 88, and the original test reference score. Well, we're assigning this test score value to test score ref, so we should expect 88. And then I'm printing the address of test score ref. So I'm thinking here that the address of test score ref should be the same as test score, but we'll check that in the code. Then I have a new variable named new test score. So let us say this is new test score, and it has a value of 95. Then I'm saying that new test score is assigned to test score ref. That means that this 95 now is assigned here. So we take this out and we change it now to a value of 95. All right. So I'm printing the original test score updated. So I'm expecting that to be 95 here. The reference should be 95, and the address of the test score reference should be the same as the address here. But we need to clarify what is the address of test score. So let's get down to the code now, and we can also check what is the address of new test score. All right. So this should have a different address here. So the address here compared to the address here. All right. So let's do that in code. So before I run this code, let me make that change. All right. So we want to check what is the address. Right. Let's put that line in. Cout the address of test score here. So I'm gonna say test score and L, and let's check what is the address here of new test score. So we can check that even down here, shouldn't matter, right? Cout. So the address of new test score, and So this should be ampersand new test score NL. Okay, so now let's save this and let's run this code. So we're gonna have g++ dash std equals c++ 2a dash o reference underscore 02 reference 02 dot cpp. And now let's see reference underscore 02. So here we go. We have original test score is 88, then the reference is 88, the address of test score ref it's ending in 61828, and address of test score is also the same. Address of new test score, however, is different. But remember, we are assigning the value that is in the new test score to the test score. All right, and you can see that we are assigning it to test score ref, but because test score ref and test score are the same, you see both test score and test score ref are updated, and the address of test score ref remains 61828, which is actually the address of test score. All right, so this video is illustrating reference, its initialization, and being assigned a value and the address of the value compared to the original variable. Yeah, that's all I want to explain in this video. So I'll stop here for now, guys. Bye.